In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication in TradingView. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the top left and click on your profile icon. And from here, you want to hover over your profile name and you want to go to Settings and Billing. Now, it's going to open a separate tab in your browser where you want to go to Account and Security here and click on Account Settings. From here, you can see it says two-factor authentication, or of course, otherwise known as 2FA. And in here, you have a few methods you could use. So you have the authentication app, a text message, or backup codes, okay? Now, for the first time you're doing this, if you use like Google or something similar to sign up for TradingView, you'll first have to create a password for your account. So if you try to click on authentication app here, for example, you can just click on that, and it's going to tell you that you have to set a password, and they're going to send an email to your email, which is going to look like this. And you basically, it's going to say time to create a password. Click on here. You're going to have to type a password you want to use. You're going to have to confirm it and make sure you don't share this with anyone, and then you'll be able to do this, okay? So as you can see, it says that you basically have to set up a 2FA to be able to do this. So I'm going to just quit that because I've done that already a few seconds ago. And then whenever you do this, so whenever you actually have a password associated with your account and not just like a simple email login using Gmail or something similar, you can then come back here and you can request either the authentication app like this over here and click on get code to actually verify it, or a text message, which of course is going to be allowed if you have a premium plan. So we're going to do it for the authentication app now. I'm going to click on this button and I'm going to click on get code. Now they will send the code onto your email, so make sure you open up your email, and in there you will find a code from TradingView, which usually comes in just a few seconds. I have it over here. I'm going to paste it and I'm going to click on submit. Now when you do this, there we go. As you can see, it's going to say code generating app, and then over here you basically have to retrieve codes from any authenticator you use, like Google, Duo Mobile, Authy, whatever. You could just use whatever, scan this QR code over here, and then paste in the confirmation code from your authenticator, click on enable, and you've successfully enabled 2FA on your TradingView account, okay? So it's that simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.